Hi, this is Paul with GoRhino Products. One thing I want to share with you guys that you can get at Stage 3 Motorsports is GoRhino e-rewards. So some of you guys are probably familiar with rebates. Oh, they're so fun, right? Got to cut the label off the box, you got to put it in the mail, you got to wait 6 weeks, 8 weeks. Then when it shows up, you probably forgot what it was even for. GoRhino offers e-rewards on stage3motorsports.com. And what that is every month GoRhino has specials on certain products that you can basically purchase, and when you do, you get an instant rebate card, basically a credit card. And that code, you can put it on any other place that you shop, and that value can be anywhere from 10 to 25 to 75 to even $125 back to you guys. So all you do is buy a product that is on e-rewards from Stage 3 Motorsports. You take your order number, you go to gobigerewards.com, you're gonna have to pick Stage 3 Motorsports. When you do, just click them, put in your order number, and hit submit. That is all you have to do. Within 10 to 14 business days, you'll have an email back with your e-reward. So congratulations on purchasing GoRhino products.